Good morning, beautiful family all over the globe. Behind me you see the full moon over the water, and also the full moon illuminating the behavior of humans. Vegetation is about to be demolished for decks and more concrete access, and very devastating. So we have the moon there illuminating the behavior of humans. This hill as well, there's been taken out. This whole hill is being penetrated by human fear and greed. So all these beautiful trees, which are a habitat, not just the trees, it's the whole dune area, are to be taken down in a few days unless we find some solutions. Because who organized this is the council, and they have in the council all the people that just go over this and make sure that they get permission for this. So the environmentalists in the council, no one in their right mind and care with the land would allow that habitat to be taken down. This is home for many animals, and we need to stand up. We need to stand up for nature. I went to Gecko House yesterday, and I got a sticker on my car now. Stand up for nature. She looks very beautiful. I'm gonna go into there now. This is my land. You've seen all these transmissions I've been sending from here. This is my land. I'm a custodian of this land. We don't own it, but we are there. Look at all these beautiful rocks and all these trees. Starting here, these little beautiful trees. It's really heartbreaking. And this dune vegetation, this beautiful big rocks. Rocks are alive. All of this is alive. All of this is living. This is like coming to our houses, to your house, to your village, saying, oh yeah, we just flatten it all now. We're going to replant again. This is what they're saying. We will be taking all this down, and then we will plant it again. But then it's dead. All these trees are going to be, that's the plan, taken down. All these beautiful trees here. And just last week, there were weed spraying here. Like what for? Poisoning it even before killing it all. Two balloons on the horizon there. So all this area, have a look at this. Massive. All this beautiful habitat here. So the fence is all around here. All around. So this beautiful beach, half of it, this is not a little site. I spoke to Gail the other day. She told me it was just a few trees. This is not a few trees. This is massive. Here's also my tree that I've been sharing, that I always sit under, been sharing so many transmissions from here. So look at all this natural habitat. There's so many living here that we can't even see. The plants, this beautiful tree, all this vegetation here, all the birds that also always sit here So the moon is illuminating all this. So if anyone has any idea if there is like a higher up environmental office or something that actually cares, all these trees here, all these trees. Then share this and what we can do. Yes, it looks too late. The machinery is almost here. The fences are up. It's like, looks like going ahead and we can't do anything. But anything can happen and we can do something when we stand up. We can do something, and I'm standing up here for that, even if I'm standing alone here. I've spoken with many online and they feel the same. So let's stand up together. One person is not enough. So haven't we learned that over the years, over the last years especially? Standing up together, we can make more changes than alone. But everybody also says, oh yeah, it's too late. We can't just complain and not do something. Physically standing here, physically, I don't know if 1,000 people stand here, or 2,000 or 3,000, that might make a difference. Yeah. Standing up for these who can't speak in voice human language, so many don't understand them. And that's spiritual bypassing. Yes, when we say, oh yeah, they can just let go, we can just let go, it's going to be replanted. We are here to protect what is, and not just kill and replant in storm season and so on. This is here to protect also the land. They are saying to take it away, so they're making it protective. But this, all these plants are here to protect. And all these beautiful old trees that are bent with the wind, that are here, that are rooted. This is evil. This is coming from a very disconnected. We can't just take nature over people. Can't just take all these nature reserves away just so people have more fucking concrete. We need to stand. We need to stand on proper soil, on proper earth that is soft, that is wet, that is alive. And we don't need more concrete or more showers with chlorinated fucking toxic water. We need nature standing here on this salt-drenched land. So stand up with me together. Yeah, I'm angry about this because mostly nobody is doing anything. Yeah. It's too late now. It's not too late. So let this be a sign. We can still do something, but we need to stand up and not just accept everything. So they're still here. It's not too late. And they are alive. These are all sentient beings. So this is a massive area, massive planted beautiful area with so many alive beings here. Let's go a bit further in. All these beautiful trees, all these dunes. This is a natural habitat. Look how far in it goes, what they want to remove. All these trees, all these pandanus. This certainly must be protected. This is just horrific, truly horrific. Look at this beautiful, beautiful area here. These beautiful, gracious trees. This is an area which connects people. And when we are at one with nature, We take care of it. The moon shining through. It's magical. In the name of progress, killing everything and putting more concrete in and benches and concrete shades. This costs 7.7 million. It's just probably an estimate. Could go way out. And have a look at these beautiful water drops on this beautiful yeah, we like tears. We don't see that with concrete. Concrete isn't alive. Yes, it's all part of the oneness, but these are alive beings. That's what nature protection is about, to care for these alive beings and for these habitats. Look, this is a full-on nature habitat. You can't see a lot of the animals right now, but the lizards, the snakes that are in here, the birds, I know they are here. I am here every day with my feet on the ground, not my boots, but my feet and my soul on the ground here and my soil connected to this soil. There is disabled access for wheelchairs and prams and so on, also down there. We don't need to concrete every area for it. So I'm speaking right out of here, and look how extensive this is. Super extensive, all these trees. This has to be a protected area, right? So who, if not the people, us? Maybe we need to be thousands of people standing up here and stopping this madness, this magical entrance here, this very magical entrance where you come in under these old trees. All these succulent plants, everything that is grown here. Look at this magical entrance here as well. This all taken away. All already fenced up. Like, what the fuck? This is our area. Look at these old trees. You don't just take them out and replant them. Like, this is like absolutely nonsense. All of these old trees, these clusters, these communities of trees, and this magical entrance every year during Swell and other events. You know, this when you walk to the beach under this is a beauty. So all this here fenced off, all this up to here, they are planning to destroy, to then revegetate. But that's not okay. I'm standing here with this tree, with this area. I'm standing up for nature. Are you standing up with me? Then let's do something. And to that, the sun is rising. The sun is rising. My tears are rising. And we cannot stand up if we don't feel. We have to feel, to be passionate about something. To be passionate about earth and nature and what we are here for. This is too why at some point all the self-centric healing ends. So we can actually stand up here with earth. And the ego layers of the wounds stop, and having the head stuck in the sand. Anyway, I will leave this video as standing up here for nature and standing here for this reserve. This is not a messy deserve to be ruined. When the cyclone hit, this stayed. this state for a reason, not to be now demolished. Look at these old plants. These beautiful beings. This stayed here because it's meant to stay here. This bird lives here. The bird drops in here all the time. Birds, of course, they are mobile. Yeah, and to watch the sunrise out of trees instead of just concrete is very special. That needs to be preserved. Don't we have enough city and concrete? When bodies and hearts concrete as well, getting hard and just compliant. So stand up with me if you feel this, and it's not too late. Everything is still here. The machinery isn't yet here. We are just living in the now. Now everything is still here. Now we can still do something even if it's late. By the people power. Yeah. Look at this beautiful scenery, the trees and the rock. This needs to be preserved. That is my view as Earth's Mother. Yeah. So, get in touch if you are standing up for this too. And together, let's move something. Yeah, I see you later. Thank you for watching and caring, dropping in the heart and caring into the heart and caring for our planet.